Yo, what's up guys, it's Pios here, the CryptoPie, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin guys, because I think Bitcoin is close to what we could call at least a temporary bottom, and we would visit these higher areas here again, at the 8-9k whatever. It depends where we are when we are going up, but as you can see, like this, this falling wedge here, we're gonna break out of it sooner or later, and rather sooner than later, right? Because we're close to the end, really, where the apex point will be. So yeah, you saw it when we basically hit the top again and we fell again, right? So what's really important to look at, guys, is the longs and the shorts, and the only one you can really look at that is on Bitfinex, because they show that, transparent. They have charts of that. So what you want to see is just like, if we go back, right, back to the top here. Remember here, guys, at 19k and stuff, right? There's a lot of people think we're going to the moon, and they just still buy in. Well, there's a lot of people right now that think we're going to like 2k, 1k, right? So 3k, whatever, and they see a lot of profit in taking the short at the bottom. And that's what we want to see, because then it's very easy, guys. Then all the buyers need to do, all the bulls need to do, is just buy a little bit, and that will cause a short squeeze, and basically that will force all these people that short, all the bears, and that don't have a profit target, right, and that don't have proper stops. They have stops like on stupid places. That will force them to get liquidated, and that will cause a short squeeze. And a short squeeze is basically just forcing the bears to close their shorts, and by doing that, the price will shoot up because they have to buy in order to close. So when they get liquidated, they buy, and if that happens on a massive scale, that will cause a good pump, right? And that will most likely turn them into a bull instead the next time they enter the market. So let's take a look at that, guys. So this is the regular Bitcoin chart, right? You see this all the time. So now today we're going to look at longs, and we're going to look at shorts. So let's start with longs, right? So we have Bitcoin longs here. Let's put it on the 4-hour here. So Bitcoin longs, guys, is kind of, we're not squeezing really. There's plenty of space, right? The longs fell again, so it's not totally healthy. It'd be best if longs would be somewhere down here, but you see that they are falling, guys. So that is something good to see, because you don't, basically as a trader, you want to do the opposite of what the majority does, right? The majority right now wants to go short. So I know it's very risky, but you could go long, and if it's spot, guys, it's nothing to worry about, right? As in for shorting, that is a little more risky because you're always on margin, but with longing you can go spot. So yeah, so let's take a look at the shorts, guys. Let's take a look at the shorts. I already drew this on the 4-hour. Look at that, guys. We're squeezing, right? I mean, look at the shorts, guys. We're at an all-time high on the shorts. Now, isn't that great? Because there's so many shorts, and basically, if the bulls just push a little bit, like maybe at the end of the week or whatever, maybe, I mean, if we look here, right, we could definitely go down again and touch this here, this 6.4 or even 6.3, or fall through it for like a wick and actually go visit these lows again at like, not these lows at like 6k or whatnot. Perhaps it will fall a little further, but then after that, all right, so the shorts that didn't cover their profits and they think we're going to 3k, 2k, whatever, and we pump again, we're gonna liquidate a lot of these guys, a lot. Alright, and it will be so sad for all these people that are short, but hey, that's how the market works, guys. And then we'll get a short squeeze and it will just pop back up. So is it risky to short right now? If you have your profit targets, your stops, the risk is just your stop, guys. That's it, alright? Same with long, right? If you have a stop, that's your risk. So, yeah, but I just wanted to show you guys this, right? Because this is massive, right? We've never seen it this high. So, and what happens after you get to this apex point? Well, it's a rising wedge, as you see. Normally rising wedges fall, right? So if they fall, the shorts, that means the short squeeze will be in effect. And we've seen this once before, I believe. I mean, we take this here. And this is not even a really good one. I mean, it's more like a ascending triangle that failed. But still, when it falls, guys, you get a short squeeze, okay? So we're going to look at what happened on when was this super low? When was this falling? Let's see when it was falling, right? So 2017, 11, 12. In November. So the 12th of November 2017, right? Let's go there. The 12th of November. So we go 2017 and then the 12th of November, right? Let's go there. Wait, why doesn't it want to do that? I need to type the European way, maybe? No. Oh, it's because it makes it to 2018 again. I want to go 2017. There we go. So, the 12th of November 2017, guys. We're going to zoom in here. And let's make it a little more fun here, guys. We're going to use the replay function here, right? So we're just going to get rid of this. So guys, it's the 12th of November 2017 and we are down at 5.8k on Bitcoin. Well, we all know what happens, but let's look at it anyhow. So let's press the play button. Woo! Look at that, guys. The short squeeze is in full effect. Right? I mean, this is how we made our all-time high, guys. This is how we made our all-time high. And that's mad, right? But that is what happens, guys. That is what happens. So we'll just let it play out to where we are right now. Let it play out. We're nearly there, guys. Look at that. We're about to have the massive drop to 6k. We're about to have it. There we go. Boom, boom. Bang. Right? So, what do you think will happen when the short squeeze will happen again? That is basically, you know, the ultimate question, right? So we'll just let this play out, guys, because it's just nice to see, right? And I love this new functionality of TradingView. The replay function is nice. So yeah, but what will happen when the short squeeze will happen again? I think we'll get a massive bull run personally, but yeah, I want to know your opinions as well. So you know, leave them in the comments below, guys, and yeah, just want to know what you think will happen to the Bitcoin. So that is a short squeeze from back then, right? We're just gonna look at another one, guys. I'll look at another one, and I'm not gonna have it play out all the way and stuff. But over here, guys, this was a rising wedge as well, right? Rising wedge of the shorts. When was this? This was the 22nd of February. And this is a small one, as you can see. A small one, right? 22nd of February. Where were we then? So 2, 22nd. Bang. 22nd. Oh, we went down a little bit. 23rd. We had a small pump. And then down again. Bigger pump. Right? And I mean, that's because that was a very small one. But right now, guys, we're at an all-time high on the shorts. Right? It's never a good place to go short when you're at an all-time high. Also, guys, last but not least, you know, people that want to go short for a long time, you know, I mean, taking a short just for a quick profit is really nice and really smart. But if you are going to short just to go short, no, don't do that. In order to like try to hit the 2 or 3k, I don't think it will happen. But prove me wrong. Right? So, because we're gonna flip this chart upside down right now, and we're going to look at the chart then. So I can only have it on the daily because I'm not the massive trader. So this was our all-time high, guys. See, so 20k is on the bottom now, and you can see that we're going up. So would you go long here if it was a normal long chart? No, you wouldn't. You would have wanted to be long around here, right? In order to ride it up. But guys, remember, this is a flip chart, so it's upside down. So obviously 20k is on the bottom, and then we'll just, the higher we go, the lower we get, right? So would you go long here? No, you wouldn't. You wouldn't. You'd be mad. You'd be stupid, right? So no, you would want to go long around these areas, not here. So, you know, that's just another thing, guys, that you have to look at. I mean, that is for people that cannot just see regular short, right? So, yeah, just watch it, guys. And honestly, I think it won't be too long before we're out of the whole, you know, the whole bear that we're in. And if it does break down, guys, then we're in for a lot more mess than we already are. But I cannot see it happening, guys. With the look at the shorts, we're just popping up, guys. Like, hey guys, we're about to break this rising wedge to the upside right now. Mad. Okay. So not gonna happen. Right. So yeah. Just wait for the apex point, guys. That's why I say they'll have a few days of, like, you know, fun, and then bang, right? So that is my opinion on Bitcoin, on the shorts and the longs, guys. I think it won't be too long before we will see a rally. Whether that rally will get us back bullish, that is yet to be seen, but we will need to test this line up here. So yeah, that is it, guys. All right, we will need to test this line up here because we've had 2 tests. Okay, 2 tests. We need a 3rd test. Usually 3rd test goes through. So if it doesn't go through and it gets rejected, that's very bearish. But for now, all I can be is bullish in the long, you know, in the midterm, because falling wedges break to the upside. You know, this is just a regular rule, right? Falling wedges break to the upside, rising wedges break to the downside. And we see it over and over again on Bitcoin, because if you take 1 hour, guys, rising wedges break to the downside. Because if you take this, like just like that, and you take, that's a little bit wrong, but like that, right? We have a rising wedge, because basically a rising wedge means the price goes too fast, right? Too fast, and then it will break down. So very simple. That's a one that where it breaks down. And then last we had another one that broke down. I mean, let's just take a few wicks here, and then we'll take let's say this point. We have another rising wedge and it broke down. So, you know, rising wedges break down, falling wedges break out to the upside. And that, yeah, I'll just have to leave you guys with that, guys. Also, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any question, you can ask other people questions. It's just a great chat box to be in. Oh, I need to update my Telegram, guys. But I'll do that in a moment, right? And also join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my upcoming videos, post about upcoming ICOs. However, right now we are still in a bear market, guys, so I will not post any ICOs whatsoever, because they will most likely get you bearish returns, and I don't want you to lose money, right? So yeah, that is what you will see here, guys. So yeah, both Telegrams will be in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.